What's up, everyone, and welcome to week 5 of Fun Friday. This week we're going to be making some invisible ink, but first let's check in with Cooper for our safety tips. Alright guys, make sure your hair is tied back and out of your face. Next, make sure you're wearing some clothes that can get a little bit messy. And finally, make sure you're always doing these with some adult supervision. So our invisible ink that we're going to make is a little different than how people usually make it. We are going to have two parts. The first part is going to be what we're going to use to draw our message, and then the second part is what we're going to use to reveal what we drew. For the first part, our invisible ink, we're going to take a half cup of water and a tablespoon of baking soda. And then you're going to mix that up. Now you're going to take your invisible ink, grab your piece of paper and your paintbrush, and you're going to use this ink to write your message on the piece of paper, and then you're going to wait 15 minutes. After you've waited the 15 minutes, now we're going to make the second part, which is going to reveal what we wrote in our invisible ink. We are going to need our rubbing alcohol and the turmeric. So we're going to use a half cup of the rubbing alcohol. And now the teaspoon of the turmeric. Now you're going to mix that up, get another paintbrush, get your piece of paper that you wrote your message on, and you're going to paint over what you wrote, and it's going to reveal your message. Now before you put the second part over what you already drew, you might want to grab some old pieces of newspaper to put on your counter in case it leaks. Now that you're finished, you can see what you wrote.